A lead bin in toilet plumbing is the curved section of pipe beneath the toilet that connects the closet outlet to the main drain, traditionally made of or lined with lead in older homes. Think of the lead bin as the first turn your wastewater takes after leaving the toilet bowl. In older construction, installers use soft lead because it could be hand-formed to align the toilet with the drain without stressing the floor flange. Today, you will often find it replaced by a closet bend made from cast iron, copper, or plastic. But the function is the same. If you are diagnosing a clog, the lead bin is a prime suspect because its tight curvature and any slight flattening from age can catch paper, wipes, or mineral scale. To check it without removing the toilet, use a flexible closet auger with a bulb head and feed it gently until you feel the bend. Then rotate and advance in short strokes. If you do pull the toilet, inspect the bend for ovaling, corrosion blisters, or a ridge at the joint where the lead meets the flange, and smooth minor burrs with fine emery cloth while keeping debris out of the pipe. Common mistakes start with using a straight drain snake from the bowl, which can scrape or puncture a soft lead bend. Swap to a closet auger with a protective sleeve and a flexible cable instead. Another mistake is overloading the bowl with thick paper or drop-in tablets that shed grit, which sticks at the bend. Switch to thinner 2-ply paper, avoid non-flushable products, and run a hot bucket rinse followed by a half cup of dish soap when flow seems sluggish. The last mistake is over-tightening the toilet to stop a wobble, which compresses and distorts an old lead bend and creates a ledge that snags waste. Instead, shim the base evenly, snug the nuts to gentle resistance, and address flange height with proper spacers. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it simple to find local toilet and drain pros who understand older lead bends and modern closet bends. We also help contractors reach nearby homeowners, and we host a discussion community where we all share tips, photos, and fixes that make diagnosing clogs faster and safer.